Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. So guys, you can see a different introduction video today because it is a different kind of video. Actually, this is one of my interests doing the DIY decorations. So this beautiful Diya decoration with pista shells, I've done it and I'll teach you guys how to do for this Diwali. You can make one for yourself. This lockdown have teaches a lot. You can't go out and purchase all these things. If like you can just do it and make your Deepavali very special this year. And it is very easy guys, you can just do it in 20-30 minutes if you learn it properly, and if you just do, it is really easy. All the things you'll get in home. Yes guys, without a further ado, let's get to the video. So yes guys, yeah, I have taken a cardboard sheet and I've taken a cap. You can take anything just for that round shape, that's all. So I've taken a cap and I'll measure it of that cap, and later I'll just cut that with the scissors with that measurement. That's all. It's very easy. Be very careful while you're cutting the cardboard with your scissor because some scissor won't be sharp. So, and you just have to cut the outer some circumference of the circles, okay? And guys, it is left to you how much big you want, how much your diya is. That is, measurement take according to your diya, and later you do this circle. And yes, later A4 sheet size or white paper, and I'll just keep the cardboard on that. I'll measure it, cut it, and later we'll just stick it on the cardboard sheet. This help us for a clean and nice surface, and you can just do other steps easily, and even the painting goes really well on this. In cardboard sheet it is quite difficult to go to next other steps. It is little difficult. So this also, you just cut it inside the circumference of the measurement guys. And it's okay if you just don't cut properly. You can see I haven't cut properly. My tea light candle, you can take anything guys, whatever you are keeping, diya or anything, just take a measurement of that. And now I'm taking a hot gun and I'm just applying hot glue on it. I mean, yes guys, Fevicol, I tried with Fevicol, it is quite difficult to actually stick. So try with a hot gun. You can try with Fevicol, but be very careful. You can see with pista shells, I'm making them to stand. I'm not making them to slant or anything. I'm just making them to stand properly. So like this, I'll be sticking around the circles guys. And next guys, I'm sticking in between of the shells which I've already sticked around one circle. Next circles I'll be sticking in between them, and wherever I feel the gap is there, but main thing is sticking them in between of the shells so that it looks fuller. So that's what you have to complete a circle again. That's how it is guys. It is really easy. Just I just found a gap there, so I just sticked it there. So that's what it is, just sticking in between and not leaving a much gap. That's the deal in this. Yes guys, now it is done. Now I'll be painting. I'm using this fabric paint and a brush, flat brush. It's just just painting it, that's all. And be very careful while you're painting the shells, because it is very delicate guys. Even though if I have used hot glue, it is coming out if just if you just be hard. So be very careful while you're painting for the shells, that's all. And just paint everywhere guys, front, back, sides, everywhere paint your shells. And while painting be very delicate. You can see that I'm not even leaving the sides. If you want, you can also do it in the bottom also. In bottom there's no use, but paint it in the sides also. Yes guys, now the paint is done. Leave it to dry for few minutes. When it is completely dry, you're ready to use it. Yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I really love doing this kind of DIYs because this is my interest and gives me pleasure. So let me know if you want more kind of these videos. I'll do it for you guys. And yes, please do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And please do share this video and please try this in this Deepavali guys. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.